What's up, guys? It's Shady here, and I'm welcoming you guys to part 4 of how to code a Minecraft client, hack the client. And today we will be covering XRay and AutoWalk. So let's just dive into this as soon as I close all these tabs from my last session, because we won't be needing these. So let's start off by creating a new module, and we're going to call it XRay. Once we open this, of course, like always, we will extend the module class. We'll let it build the workspace as well, because apparently it didn't do that, even though Eclipse has been open for about 5 minutes. So I'll just let it take its time, and I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, I'm back. That did not take that long. So anyways, let's get back to this, what we were making. So we're going to create a public array list. And then we're going to call this one block. XRay blocks is equal to new array list. And then it's block. Should be it. Now we're going to import array list. First of all, we're going to upload net.minecraft.block. And then we're going to... Okay, I did it first. Sorry, never mind. So now, I'm going to make the constructor. So while I make the constructor, how did you guys enjoy the 7:20 p.m. last video? Hopefully that was good. I mean, it didn't kill my internet, so I'm obviously going to keep on uploading on that. This is render. If you guys are wondering what the categories are for, they're for when I get to make him a GUI. So let's import the keyboard, and it's that one. So make sure you have these imported. And now that we've created this, we're going to call that one XRay. So, public void on update. No, not on update, on enable. That's what it is. So now this is going to be XRay utils dot is XRay. That's equal to true. And we're gonna have to make a class called XRay utils. You know what? Let's go ahead and make that right now. Under utils, not modules. And we'll just leave it there. We're not going to mess about with it right now. It's XRay. We'll worry about that in a bit. For now, let's just get the main stuff in. So wrapper.mc dot the no, not the player dot render global dot load renderers. Gonna import our wrapper, and then there should be public void disable that. There should be XRay utils dot is XRay equal to false. It should be wrapper dot. Okay, why is it backwards? Wrapper dot mc dot render global dot load renderers without the z, and then now we're gonna make a boolean. So public boolean is XRay block to check, and then this should be if this dot XRay blocks dot contains a block to check, return true, return false. Should do it. Yeah. Okay, so now let's go into the module manager, and in here we will create right underneath this public XRay module semicolon. That should bring in the XRay module. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be right back while I go quickly and take a look at something. I'm going to be right back. Alright, I'm back. Anyways, let's go ahead and work on the X-ray utils class. What is that? Is that in my utils? Yeah, it is. Okay, so am I going to public static integer X-ray opacity? This is for when we make an opacity X-ray, I believe. I'm just like stealing some code from my other client. Public static boolean is X-ray. Semicolon. Does that fix it? Should fix it. Let me just read through it real quick before I mess something up. Oh no, that should be fine. So let's get right to the actual X-ray itself. So the only actual Minecraft class we'll need to modify is block.java under the package net.minecraft.block. So what you're going to want to search for is, I believe it is should side be rendered. Yep, this is it right here. So obviously the first thing you want to do when you're editing any base Minecraft code is to create your to-do. And what we're going to do here is if this, okay, that's not the correct one. This is equals to block dot get block by ID. Let's use you know what? We're gonna put 2 in. So wait, what's the ID for coal? 16. We're gonna put coal in first. So if it's equal to 16, we're going to say this is coal or return true. That should do it. So in order to test out our X-ray, we're going to add it to our module manager. So this one's going to be added a little differently. Let's put this one underneath. Maybe underneath here. Underneath flight sounds good. So we're going to put this dot active modules dot add, and then we're going to put this dot x. I believe it's a lowercase x. Yeah, X-ray module is equals to new X-ray, and then if everything is correct, we will start the client and we will find out if our X-ray is working or not. And if it's not working, we will go ahead and fix it. So we're going to let Minecraft load up. Let it do its thing. If you guys want to see any like examples for any hacks in the future, please let me know, and I will do my best to add them. I am going to possibly do kill hour for Saturday, and I don't know when this video will be up. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, one of those 2 days. Well, I mean tomorrow Tuesday or the day after tomorrow Wednesday, since this is being recorded on Monday. Anyways, we'll press X. Oh, I completely forgot something. Well, the rendering is working, but I forgot to. Whoops. Give me 1 second. I forgot something. Let me see what it was. What was it? It's refreshing the thing. But what is it? Oh, right. I need to add something to the block class. It's somewhere in here. It's a little higher up, I believe. Give me 1 second while I go look at my other client and see where exactly I put this. I see what I forgot. It's just right underneath here. Just paste this, and this should be if Shady dot the client dot module manager dot X-ray module dot get state, and then that should be return false. Import that, and now it should work. Hopefully it works, because if not, I will be not really mad about it. You get the point. So I'll be back when the game actually loads, and because I got mail, well, I mean, I'll be back once I go get the mail because it just got here. Alright, I'm back. So let's hop into single player now, and this should work now. Should work confirmed. So now we press X. There we go. So we can see the coal, but it is very dark. But do not worry. We will fix that by... Now we're going to close out of block.java because we don't need that. Well, we will in a second because I'm gonna add an extra block, but you get the point. We're gonna open up our brightness, and then we're going to edit right after this parentheses. I'm going to put shady dot the client dot module manager dot XRay module dot state. I mean that should do it. So yeah, all you have to do is go into the brightness class. Go after this dot get state. Add these two little, I don't know what they're called, but add those. And then add this line. And then yeah. Now we're going to try opening it up, and I believe this is how to fix it to make it brighter. So we'll see if it works or not. So again, we're going to open up the game, and we're going to let it do its thing. We're going to go to the world, and now if we x-ray, there you go. Now you can see the blocks. They're nice and bright. So yeah, this is how you make an x-ray module. So let's very quickly add diamond ore to the x-ray module. So we're going to open up block. Block.java, we're going to go to should side be rendered, or you could just go to your to-do, and we're going to skip down the line, and we're going to put if this is equal to the block dot get block by ID. Diamonds is 56. Let's call this one diamond ore. Return true. That should do it for diamonds. So now we're going to go back into the game, and we should be able to see diamonds. And all you have to do pretty much is add in the ores that you want. So in a second, I will bring up my other client to show you guys exactly. So now, if we go down, let's just dig straight down. Just dig straight down. And there's a spawner. I'm gonna keep on going. Diamonds should be, there they are. There's some diamonds over there. I see them. There's some diamonds down here too. So yeah, as you can see, there's diamonds. Oh, okay. Just kill the skeleton. It's intruding. It's intruding valuable property. I can't see a thing. There we go. So yeah, that's how you make a X-ray module. So let's move on to the AutoWalk that I promised I would make. So all we have to do is, like always when you want to create a new module, you know what, let's quickly add iron, but I'm not exactly going to test it out. So as this is how you add different blocks. Okay, I can't spell return. There we go. Okay, so that's iron added. It's going to be for me. So we're going to make AutoWalk. So create a new class. I'm going to speed through this one because I'm running out of time here. So, oops. Okay, extends module import public AutoWalk. By the way, this one's going to go really well with the sprint because you also sprint while you're AutoWalking. So keyboard.key. Let's use apostrophe. Category dot I can't type. Our category. So now this should be public. Wait on update. And then we're going to put an if get. No, if I believe it's just gets the. And then wrapper mc dot game settings dot key bind per forward dot press is equal to true. Okay, I really can't spell. Man, this is going to be wrapper.mc.game set things on keybind forward dog equals to false. Now we're going to do the module manager. We're going to do this one, and let's put this one right underneath fast place. No, put it underneath fast mine or auto mine. Work. Alright, now let's test it out. And that should work. So in the next video, I will maybe be doing a step hack and kill Laura. And then on the video after that, I might do the GUI. I don't know. But definitely my next video, while adding the step hack and the kill Laura, I will also show you guys how to install Optifine onto your client. So now if we press apostrophe, we walk by ourselves. And if I turn on my sprint hack, start sprinting. So I'm not even pressing W. My hands are actually off the thing. So I can turn on sprint and I can, like, I don't know, just press back. Like, if I press S and I hold it, you actually stop moving. And if I let go, you start walking. So yeah, that's how to make these modules. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I hope they helped you a lot, because now you can X-ray to get your ores. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.